morning, dear staff members. We have conducted more quizzes. In the previously, we have conducted our quizzes for our paper. Now, our college has asked to give us some details from the quizzes, for which we have to collect the data and put it in a separate spreadsheet and save it as a PDF, and we have to submit it to the college. Now let us see how this can be made. For this, first you connect your mobile WhatsApp to your laptop. So if you connect, you will merge, you will have this screen. Now you have this screen and you go to your quiz link. You click it. Okay, you click and have control copy the link and paste it in a separate word sheet. After pasting it in a separate word sheet, you click this. See that if you just see press control and click the link, you will be taken to another. See, if you just press control and click it, you will be taken to another page, to the quiz. You will be taken to the quiz. Now the first and foremost thing is you must have given edit option. So since you are the owner of this quiz, or you are responsible for the quiz, you can edit the quiz. Go to this pencil symbol, you go and edit. Fine. Now you go to, there are two sections, questions and responses. Previously we have taken questions. Now the college is asking the response of the quiz. So you can say there are 51 responses. If you want to get a full detail, click this response. Now you see there are more details. You can have your chart, everything will be loaded. How many the emails, the score, the average, medium, range, all things will be displayed here. For each and every question, how much percentage of marks they received, how many students clicked correct answer for each question, all those things you can be able to see it. And you will also be able to see, if you have linked the feedback form, you will also be able to see a chart in the final. See, there is a chart. You can see, did you like the course? This is a feedback form, and see you can see how much, okay, and what is your expectation, and do you think the course will help in the learning process? Yes. See, this is the feedback form which I have attached to my quiz, and I have got the response. Okay, fine. Now this is not the data that they are asking for is a separate quiz from the college. They are asking some other data which we have to upload as a PDF file. For this we have to go to the spreadsheet. Here you see there is a spreadsheet symbol, okay, and you click this symbol. Fine, you get a Excel document, Microsoft document. You see this Excel sheet gives the entire details of your quiz, the number, the date, time, okay, of the quiz attended, date, time, email address, the score, name, department, year, university number, and all other questions. This data will change according to your quiz. The day, see, I have given this way. I have given this way. I have given email address. I have asked a name and department, year, university number, and the questions. Okay. So these are the things I have put it in my quiz. So the Excel sheet has arranged in that same way. If you have changed something, for example, if you have changed, this will be common. Email and name will be common because we have attached a certificate, and these things may differ. suppose after name, if you have written year, the year will come here, department will go there. If you have not asked department, the department won't be available here. So this depend, it will be unique. These are things, these two things are same. Email address and name will be same, then score will be there. But other things, it depends, and it will be unique to your unique to occur to the individual. Okay, now our college or university is asking what are the things they are asking. So they are asking the name first, they are asking the email address, they are asking the department, year, university number, and the mark. These are the four or five head they are asking to submit. So now we cannot directly copy this one because it is in the Excel document, that is a Microsoft Excel document. Now we have to put it into MS Office. We have to convert this data into Microsoft Excel, for which we have to go to File menu, go to Download, and click Microsoft Excel. Now you see here, the same data gets converted to Microsoft MS Office. Now after you get finished, see there is option open file. Open the file. Now your data gets open in Excel sheet. Fine. If it is if it is in a protected view, just edit, enable editing mode. Okay, fine. Now you have received your data in a Excel MS Office. Now see, there are from responses one. Now here there is a create a new sheet. Okay, sheet 1 is created. Fine. Now they are asking data in a systematic way. First they are asking the name. So copy the name. Name, that is D, where you have placed the name. Okay, copy the name. Okay, Control C and open the sheet number 1. Paste it. Adjust to this to not to max to, and put it very small font because otherwise you will be getting it in 2 pages. So see to it that it is all the things get aligned in one page, single page. So for which you have to reduce the font, for which I am reducing the font. Fine. Now after name, they are asking can see there what was asked is can see, go to response. They are asking the email address. So go to the email address, copy the email address. Okay, Control C and open the sheet and paste it. Okay, and adjust. Here is you can just click it and there will be a plus symbol. Just put it this way and you change it to, you change the font then itself. Okay, most simple. Then again adjust so that your PDF sits within one page. Otherwise it will take more more pages. If names are if the name is too long, you just click this wrap text. Okay, you see, you get the name gets into, see, this is the name, so just put wrap text, so everything it will be fine. Now they are asking the third column, they are asking, what they are asking is they are asking the department. So copy the department, Control C, go to sheet 1, paste it, Control V, so adjust it to the, so put it 8, so and again adjust to fit. Next they are asking the university number. If you have asked university number, you can, otherwise you leave it. Now copy, go to sheet 1, then Control V, adjust Fine. Then last it must, so your score must come at the last. So see to it that whatever you do, you put the score in the last column. That is what they are asking to do. So copy and go to sheet 1. Fine. Control. So it's enough. Now you select all the entire section and you click here. This is here. You click this pop-up menu and you will go to all border. Okay, now you get all border. Okay, now all is fine. Now what you have to do is you save it as a PDF format. For this we go to file, save as, and here see, here it is an Excel format, so you type it here as last, say there's a PDF. Okay, and you change the name as PDF quiz 1 PDF. I have converted, so I am just putting training, okay, and put it in the desktop. Fine. Now the data, you can come to the desktop, you minimize everything, come to the desktop, there is a PDF, you open the PDF, you get the PDF. Now we can see the PDF. Fine. So this you get. Now you go to the, you keep this one, you go to your WhatsApp in the in here and fill, you go to the Google form, ask from the college, fill it and upload this file, upload this PDF file and submit. Thank you for watching this course. Hope you like the course, you like the tutorial. Thank you dear staff members. Thank you.